You go to bhuonline.in, click on student portal. You'll have to log in with your account, ID and password. Click on mock test. Now if you have no test scheduled for the day, it will say there is no schedule for today. In case you have a schedule for any day, it will come, portal will be ready after the amount of time which is left for examination. As the timer starts, you will see a different option. It is asking you to read the instructions carefully before the exam starts. You can click on I read the instructions carefully, and I agreed. Now as the countdown suggests, 11 minutes are pending. Your exam starts in 11 minutes. After those 11 minutes, you'll be able to give your exam. You click on, and again says the exact time when your exams will start. In next slide, you'll see how it will look. So here you'll click on action. In action, you'll see the question paper. Once you click on action, you'll see the question paper and the answers that you have submitted. Now against each option, you can upload an image or an PDF file or a PDF file. You'll have to select the question number and the number of pages you can select from the drop down. Like you can select multiple pages and upload against each questions. So you can select as many papers as you want. Against each question, I'll be submitting or uploading one response. Response is a pre. I've already uploaded it to the computer, and now I'm uploading it into the system. You can select multiple uh, in multiple ways, like you can directly upload from computer, or you can take a photograph. That option I'll explain how it works. As you can see, I have uploaded all the answers. Once I'll click on mobile upload, it will show me a QR code. That QR code is where I'll have to point my mobile at after opening the camera. Now let me just click on it. I'll scan. It will not ask to login, it will just open a URL. It's here you'll see your name and you'll be able to upload answers. You can directly take photo from this application and click on the photograph. Once it is clicked, you have to tick and then it will start uploading. Once the upload is done, you will be able to see the same answer on your login screen. And once done, you can click on finish.